Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Amna. In today's video, we're diving into how to create and customize a table of content in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a report, thesis, or a lengthy document, having a table of content can make it much easier to navigate. So let's get started. Before we insert a table of content, it is important to properly set up your document using heading styles. This helps Word recognize which section to include. To do this, highlight the title or heading you want to format. Then go to the Home tab. From here you will see a list of heading styles. Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. Click Heading 1 for your main section titles, like Introduction or Chapter 1. For subheading within those sections, select Heading 2 or Heading 3, depending on how detailed you want your document to be. Now that we have applied our heading styles, let's add page numbers to the document so that they will appear correctly in the table of content. Go to the Insert tab, click on the page number. Here you can choose where to place the page number, either on the top of the page, bottom, or in the margins. Once you have chosen the format, Word will automatically insert page numbers throughout your document. These page numbers will later be connected to your table of content, making it easier to find each section. Now let's get ready to insert our table of content. To do that, you will need some free space at the beginning of your document. If you have already left some, great. If not, don't worry. I will show you how to edit now. To ensure your table of content starts on its own page, it is a best practice to insert a page break. This keeps everything neatly organized. Place your cursor where you want your table of content to appear, typically right after the title page or introduction. Click on the page break from the Insert tab. This creates a new page for your table of content, ensuring it's separated from the rest of your document. Now you have a clean space to insert your table of content, maintaining a professional layout. Great job! We have now set up our document using heading styles and pages numbers and creating up some free space. Let's insert the table of content. Go to the Reference tab and click on Table of Content. Here you will see a list of different styles. Choose the one that fits your document's needs. It is very important to choose the one that is suitable for your document. As I'm choosing this one, it is not giving me any content. Why? Because this is not suitable for my document. So I'm removing it, and so is the page break removing as well. Now let's add the page break again. And again go to the reference and choose the table of content. This time I'm selecting another one. As you can see, now I get the results I want. As you make changes to your document, such as adding or removing sections, you will need to update your table of content. To update it, click on the table of content, then choose Update Table. You can select Update Entire Table to include any changes. Next, let's customize our table of content to better fit our needs. Click on the table of content and select Custom option from the menu. Here you can change the format, adjust the number of heading levels displayed, and modify other settings. For example, you can choose to show more or fewer heading levels based on your document structure. Here are a few best practices for using table of content in your document. Consistently use your heading styles throughout your document. Regularly update your table of content as you make the changes. Customize it to fit the structure and style of your document. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and customizing a table of content in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.